My name is Lameeze and this is my YouTube channel. I wanted to make this introduction video because I need to make a grand entrance. Daha.
Hi again, I'm lameeze Julius and I'm currently a computer science student specializing in mobile application development and web design. Next year I'll be moving on to the degree program, which is something I'm really excited about. I've always been drawn to creativity and technology, so being able to combine the two just feels right for me. I'm someone who genuinely loves making pretty visuals, whether it's digital design, graphic design, creating content, or putting together something aesthetic. I enjoy bringing ideas to life and making things look good. Creativity is a huge part of who I am, and I love expressing myself through design. Outside of academics, I'm really into fashion and music. My playlists are basically part of my personality, and I love how music and style can tell a story and inspire creativity. I'm also a huge Formula One fan, which probably explains why I can spend hours talking about races, drivers, and random F1 facts to my friends. And yes, an iced matcha will always have my heart. Lately, I've also been getting interested in engineering and the different paths within it. I find the idea of building things, solving problems, and understanding how technology works really fascinating. I enjoy learning new things and exploring different areas because I don't like putting myself in one box. I describe myself as someone who's creative, ambitious, and maybe just a little bit of dramatic in a fun way, of course. I love aesthetics, I love a good hyperfixation, and I'm always looking for new ways to challenge myself and grow. I want to create things that are not only functional but also beautiful and meaningful. At the end of the day, I'm just someone who loves combining creativity with technology, whether it's designing, coding, creating content, or exploring engineering. I'm excited to see where life takes me. I'm still figuring things out, but I think that's the fun part. We're all just trying to romanticize our lives, chase our dreams, and create something worth remembering. And honestly, that's the vibe I'm going for. When I say engineering, I mean building many things rather than large scale projects. I am not on that level yet. I have a kit that was lent to me, and I've already completed a few projects with it. But finding the code for them was a whole process because guess what? I'm not properly familiar with JavaScript yet, so I still need to get there. Since I'm studying mobile application development and web design this year, I've worked with pseudocode and Kotlin so far, and I'll be learning HTML and CSS next year. Sorry, next semester. I'm really excited for it. I'm really excited to start creating websites, building websites. So that is just I'm looking forward to it. Next semester, of course. Next year I'll be moving to the degree, so I'll be learning the coding languages and like JavaScript, for example. But for now, I'm just focused on designing. But moving back to the engineering, while on Instagram, scrolling on Instagram, I came across the girlies creating cyberx, and I was instantly fascinated. They're literally the coolest things ever. Ever since then, I've wanted to build one of my own by the end of the year. But my schedule's pretty busy, so I barely have time for personal projects. But creating a cyberdeck is definitely one of the things on my bucket list. So look forward to that. I'm going to document my journey on coding and how I learned to, of course, learn. I go to college, so I attend college, so of course I'm gonna learn eventually, and I'll be documenting it. But also, this channel is about fashion, so girly things, fashion, coding, designing, digital designing. So that's what I'll be offering, and I'm excited to see how this journey goes as well. I will be growing with you guys, so I can't wait for this to finally start. This was my introduction. Thank you for listening, and I will see you again. Bye.